Hey there, I just wanted to show you these strobe lights we got. These are red and white. Let's open them up and check them out.
This box includes 8 pieces of 4 LED emergency strobe lights. It also has an instruction manual, connectors, and screws. These emergency strobe lights can be installed on the grille, front bumper, bumper corners, tailgates, running boards, side surfaces, rear view mirrors, or exterior roof racks. They can be easily surface mounted with the bolts on the vehicle. The lights feature an upgraded rubber base pad at the bottom, which will not damage the vehicle surface. These lights fit almost any vehicle with a 12-volt to 24-volt power source. The hazard warning lights have 20 flashing patterns to choose from for various issues. Connect the white wires of the heads together for synchronization. They feature quick response and save the last strobe pattern used. The truck strobe light kits are made of high-quality PC for better anti-collision, shockproof, dustproof, and anti-corrosion performance with a durable, sturdy, and waterproof housing. They have a low power consumption and have a service life of 50,000 hours. These lights have great visibility on the road. These surface mount grille emergency lights are bright and visible from pretty far out. They're bright enough even during the day. These are great for safety in an emergency and catch the eyes to make your driving safer. They're also bright enough to make you stand out and make the light visible from thousands of feet away. These lights are easy to install, have a wide application, are versatile, and are premium quality.